Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about vacuum cleaner Dyson V7 trigger. Here is the machine. Now I'm trying. This is the switch. You can soak trash or dust like this. This Dyson machine has two modes. One mode is normal mode. This is a normal mode. And the other mode is strong mode. As you can listen, or as you can see, the strong mode can soak the dust or trash more stronger than the normal mode. And this machine is cordless. And you can charge this machine by this electric plug. And blue light lit, and now it's charged. And this machine, dust comes from here. This is the soaking part, and go and here. This transparent box is for store soaking dust or trash. And if the dust or trash is full in this trash box is full of dust or material trash, then what you have to do is just pull this button then automatically this tab is open. When you push up this part, then automatically this tab is open, and you can throw the collecting the dust to trash box. Okay, now this is the collected dust, and after you throw it away, then close the tab. Push this red part and close the tab and finish. So disposal of the dust is very easy. Once again, let's clean up this dust. This is a switch. Finish. This is my favorite machine, and it only costs few $100. Slightly I think it's slightly expensive than the other cleaning machine, but it's very convenient and the price is very reasonable. After I use this machine, this cleaner, I clean up my room more often. It makes your life convenient, I promise. But I don't I don't get any payment from this company, so don't be afraid of that. This is just my advice for you. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.